my friend still lives here.
At the playground?
Yeah.
Hey, Morton!
Hi, Red Panda.
Hey!
He looks like a Dumbo like you! Oh! Man, that ice cream was good.
Yeah!
Wait, is this storm coming? Everybody to the car, now! Oh shoot, it exploded! Everybody to that boat over there! But it's not even flooded. Okay, never mind.
Guys!
Who dares to enter my ship? Arrgh!
This is not a game! And there's a real tornado coming, so I fell from the sky!
I don't see a tornado! Well, I see one! Steer the ship! It's not real. Stop trying.
Wait, we left Junior, but luckily we're here. He'll come back by himself.
Wait, we forgot Junior? Junior's still at the park? Oh no! I'm so happy we made it back! Iggy, indoor voices. Oh wait, that is your indoor voice.
It's Bev?
So now I have to be the dad of 3 more kids!
Hi, can I come in?
Aw,